Okay, did you know that 80% of high school students don't know how to save or plan for their future? Are you worried that your kids don't know what the future brings? My name's Anita Furslim from Positive Properties, New South Wales. I have developed a unique strategy for you to help your kids invest in property without having to go guarantor, without you having to go broke. Are your kids equipped for the 21st century? School nowadays does not equip children for the outside world. So I'm running a holiday workshop to help them learn to save and plan for their own future. In this workshop, they will learn the 5 simple steps of how to get started investing in positive geared properties. They will learn the do's and don'ts of real estate, what to look for, and the difference between positive and negative gearing. But most importantly, they will learn how not to send you broke. Enroll them now in the Caringbah or in Liverpool. Seats are limited to 30 per class. Let's empower them together, so take action now.